How to check watch time hours on YouTube. Well, this is a PC/mobile tutorial. So first of all, I'm going to show you guys how to do this on your mobile phone, and then I'll show you guys how to do this on your PC. So on your mobile phone is actually very easy, but you can actually not do this inside of the app. Instead, you want to go ahead and download YouTube Studio. Now, once you have downloaded YouTube Studio, you want to open this app up. And this is basically the YouTube Studio that is on your PC as well. But on your phone, you just need a different app for that. So what you want to do is simply go to Earn in the bottom right corner. Now, here it says Become a Partner. And this is where you can actually see your watch time hours you have on your channel in order to monetize your channel. So here you can see public watch hours 0 out of 4,000. But if you are already monetized and you just want to check your watch time hours, just because you want to check that out, you can go to the analytics and then go to the right. Here you can see watch time hours as well. And what you can click on here is simply filter for lifetime, and you will see a total of watch time hours you have on your channel in the whole lifetime this channel exists. Now, how do you check your watch time hours on your PC? It's basically the same. What you want to do is simply click on your profile picture, go to the YouTube Studio, just like that. And once you are here, you want to go to the Earn section. And here you can also see Become a Partner, because I'm yet a partner on this account. And here you can also see 0 public watch hours out of 4,000. And again, if you are already monetized and you simply want to check out how many monetization or how many public watch hours you have, simply go to your analytics. Here you can see watch time hours, and here you want to click on here and then filter it instead of the last 28 days to lifetime. Now this will now show you the lifetime public watch hours you have gotten on your channel. So lifetime is basically when you created your account. So all the way from April 12th till now. So yeah, that is how to check watch time hours on YouTube.